We are thrilled to announce that D&M Tools will be laying on an absolute feast of power tools, hand tools, machinery and more as the Tool Show returns to Kempton Park Racecourse on Friday 10th, Saturday 11th and Sunday 12th October 2025. Join us as we celebrate the 25th anniversary of the Tool Show. Across the 3 days, you can expect stands from all the major brands, live demonstrations, new products, and of course exclusive show deals. A great opportunity to get hands-on with the tools, speak with the manufacturers, and grab a cracking D&M show deal. The Tool Show is situated on 2 floors, with the major power tool manufacturers located on the ground floor, and hand tools and workwear, plus record power woodworking machinery on the first floor. Stairs and lifts are located at either end of the building. There are also various outdoor displays and demonstrations from leading brands. Visitors to the show have the opportunity to enter our free prize draw by scanning a QR code and completing their details, for a chance to win one of 12 voucher which entitle them to 250 tonne worth of tools of their choice, or as part payment from any of the prize draw sponsors at D&M Tools, Twickenham.